All right, so we are gonna take the Bronco on its inaugural trail ride. It is in complete stock form. We got the stock Bridgestone dualers here, and I figured, why not? Let's just go out. We've had a light dusting of snow. It's a nice sunny day. Good time to get a trail ride. Good time to check out my new app here, onX Offroad. So I checked it up, and it looks like there's a trail right near my house, and it's High Cert Road. So yeah, let's give this a try. And it gives me an opportunity to check out my new TacForm track system here, mount the GoPro in, and see how it goes. So let me get this mounted up. Let's get on the street. So get started here. We're just going to try this trail in two-wheel drive. I mean, it doesn't look overly intimidating. It's pretty much rated a 1. So hey, but let's give it a run and see how this goes. So now the adjacent road to this, which is called Alme Road, that road looks like it could be fun. However, it is very obvious that it is not well kept at all. And there was a lot of branches out on the road, and I just thought to myself, I haven't gotten this thing PPF'd yet, and the last thing I want is any deep scratches. Look, I don't mind this thing getting a couple of scuffs, but I certainly don't want to be putting any deep scratches into the paint at this point in the game anyway. It's still so new. So, alright, well, this isn't too bad. This is kind of fun. And again, we're just in two-wheel here, so there we go, yeah. Don't know exactly what to expect with some of the ruts here, but you can definitely tell there's some ruts. But so far, the base Bronco and its bone stock 16-inch dualers are doing all right. We're doing all right here. As it should. This is really something that even a pedestrian SUV should be able to do relatively easily, so. stop here, make sure we've got no trains coming. Looks like we're clear on both sides, so there we go. Easy peasy. Property off of this road. This is someone's driveway. Not driveway, but the road to get to their property. That's crazy. Can you imagine? Oh, where do you live? Oh, you gotta take this off-road trail to get to my house. Actually, once we get to this point in the road, it's not so bad at all. This is actually pretty easy to manage here. Yeah, and it's paved. So anyway, well, that's that. That's, as far as trails are concerned, I'd say that's a 1 out of 10 in terms of difficulty. But fun nevertheless, and it was a good opportunity to have some fun with the Bronco. So we're going to turn around, we're going to redo it, we're going to retrace this, we're going to just do it in the opposite direction, and yeah, maybe I'll throw in 4 high just to see what that feels like, but let's get across, do a little U-ey here if we can. It says no exit. That's a lie. We all know that's a lie. Alright, so this time around we're gonna just throw the goat modes on, and we're gonna toss it, and let's just do slippery. Yeah. So puts us in 4 high, and let's see how it feels doing this. Let's see the difference. Doing it in just standard 2 high was perfectly fine. I kept it in 2nd gear through that entire trail, and yeah, it felt pretty competent. It didn't really feel too bad at all. Surprisingly, these Dueler HTs are not terrible. They last a long time, that's for sure. Would I buy them? No. I mean, obviously I want to go with some sort of AT, not an MT tire, because I want something that's still going to be somewhat tolerable for the roads, but yeah. Alright, so yeah, right out of the gate, putting it in slippery mode, obviously having it in 4 high, you can definitely feel the added benefit of the front wheels biting along here. It feels a lot more pointed, so when I'm putting in inputs in the steering wheel, it's definitely reacting to my inputs. Now I'm just using crawl gear here to see what that feels like going up. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright. Yeah, the crawl gear definitely makes a difference even over 1st gear to get up that, but is it needed? No. I did it in 1st gear, and it was perfectly fine the last time. So. Now, for some of you watching, you're probably going to be like, man, what are you talking about? That's not even a trail. And you're probably not wrong. However, I'm a car guy. Off-roading, completely new to me. Like, the only time I've ever been off-roading was if I was driving my car and I accidentally turned onto a dirt road. That is the extent of my off-roading. So this world of off-roading to me is completely new. With my previous Bronco, I did take it to not an actual trail that was even listed, but a couple of I took it to a couple of unpaved roads, you could say, in inclement weather, similar to this, like snowy conditions and everything, snowy, icy, just to get an idea of what it would feel like. Now it looks like there's a trail over there, but it's not on onX, so I don't really want to go down someone's private property, but it does look like people have been there before. But in any event, yeah, for what it's worth, like, experience, I suppose. But I plan on taking this to more serious trails once I get some tires on this. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily do a lift before I hit some of these other trails, but it may not be a bad idea to see what that's like. But I think for now, just send what you have, right? Just use what you have, send it. So, we'll see. So far, this is fun. See how it handles these little ruts here. Looking for an opportunity to get stuck. Or at least attempt to get stuck, so then I feel like I've done something. Creek is going pretty good over here. Well, that's that. That is a wrap.